Wow, Nigeria takes the lead in Africa. Nigeria takes the lead in Africa. Now, according to Coin Market Cap, and according to CoinGecko, and according to Binance, according to Crypto.com, most exchanges are all confirming that Nigeria is the leading country in Africa that have a lot of crypto wallets. Yes, cryptocurrency trade more is being traded more in Nigeria than in any other African country. Of course, Nigeria is still the leading in terms of population in Africa with over 200 million people in Nigeria. Yes, Nigeria is the seventh most populated country in the world and is always targeted as a major market for so many companies around the world. So many businesses, especially online businesses, starting from Facebook, starting from YouTube, starting from Gmail, starting from so many online social network, all of them always rank Nigeria number one in Africa. And right now, even in crypto industry, in financial industry, Nigeria still lead the number one country in Africa where cryptocurrency is being traded. Cryptocurrency is being buying and the trading, buying and selling is taking place, especially in Nigeria. I trust Nigerians, I trust my country, I trust my people. They are always serious with whatever that can bring in money. They're always serious with every investment that have to do with financial. Nigerians are always serious about it, okay? They are hardworking. Nigerians are hardworking. But I still know that maybe, I'm not saying other countries are not doing well, but in Africa, Nigerians can, based on maybe because of the population, because like I said, the population of Nigeria is about over 200 million people. So you can compare that to some of our African countries with about 10 million, 20 million. That is why Nigeria is being ranked always number one in terms of population or in terms of number of holding or number of registered in all the social medias. But one thing again you need to understand about Nigeria is that cryptocurrency, this same cryptocurrency that Nigeria is number one, has already been banned in Nigeria. Yes, it was banned about 2 years ago. It was banned and used by the Nigerian government. So the youth in Nigeria are definitely not happy, and they are hoping to see the day this ban will be removed. So I believe if without this ban in Nigeria, so many people will have engaged more in crypto industry in Nigeria. Nigeria will have a record more than what they had right now, because that ban definitely caused a lot of things for Nigerians who wanted to buy cryptocurrency right now. Because if you want to buy $1 for $1 as of then, using the bank rate, using your MasterCard, your credit card, your Visa card, okay, definitely you'll be paying for $1 for 400 naira or 480 naira, even at when it was highest recently. But after the ban, you want to buy crypto coins, definitely you'll be going through the black market, which means instead of you paying 480 naira for $1, you'll be paying 750 naira, sometimes 800 naira for $1. You can see the expenses. So that means let's assume you are investing $100,000, 100,000 naira. Let's say, let me come to the dollar so a lot of my viewers will understand me. Let's assume you are investing $10,000 into a cryptocurrency. If you are in Nigeria, you'll be spending almost $17,000. So someone in South Africa, or someone in Kenya, or someone in Ghana, or someone in US, someone in America that's investing, buying, let's assume you want to buy Binance BNB coin. If you're investing $10,000 and you are buying about, let's say, 100 coins of BNB, or you're buying, let's say, 20 coins, 100 coins of BNB as of 2 years ago, if you're in Nigeria, you will spend $17,000 to buy 100 coins of BNB. Why, if you are in Ghana, or if you are in South Africa, or if you are in America, or if you are in Canada, or if you are in Kenya, if you are in India, you will be spending, sorry for that noise, you will be spending $10,000 for the same number of coins. You want to buy 100 coins, you are spending $10,000. And if I'm in Nigeria, I want to buy the same 100 coins, I'll be spending $17,000. You can see the difficulties this have actually created for people who want to invest in crypto industry. That really caused a lot of people who definitely decide not to go into crypto industry. A lot of people decide not to go into crypto industry because of the high cost of investment. So except you are investing, you are depositing from other means, not from Nigeria. But if you're in Nigeria, it will be very, very expensive for you to do that. Well, let's hope for the best. Apart from that, Nigeria still remains number one African country that is trading, that holds crypto coins. Remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.